Shout out to our awesome subscriber Jackie for suggesting this video about manatees. Manatees, often called sea cows, are large, gentle marine mammals belonging to the order Sirenia, a group of aquatic, herbivorous animals. Just like land cows, sea cows flatulate a surprising amount. Stick around to find out the strange superpower their wind has. With their round, paddle-like tails, grayish bodies, and small, expressive eyes, manatees have an unhurried presence in the shallow coastal waters, rivers, and warm springs of the Caribbean, the Gulf of Mexico, and some parts of the Amazon, which they call home. They spend up to 8 hours a day grazing on seagrasses and aquatic plants, just like very zen lawnmowers of the sea. Slow-moving and peaceful, manatees typically avoid confrontation, and their only known defenses are their calm demeanor and hefty size, which can reach up to 1,200 pounds. Despite their bulk, they are surprisingly buoyant, and glide effortlessly through the water, aided by dense bones that help them stay close to the seabed. Manatees are closely related to elephants, sharing similar traits like tough skin and continuously growing molars adapted for a plant-based diet. These endearing giants play an essential ecological role, maintaining healthy seagrass beds and supporting the ecosystems around them. Here are 10 fascinating facts about them. Fact 1. While they might be called sea cows, they don't have udders to feed their calves their milk. Instead, their mammary glands are located just behind their flippers, making them unique among mammals. Fact 2. Unlike other marine mammals, manatees don't have blowholes. They breathe through their nostrils and come up for air every 3 to 5 minutes. This means their version of sleep is being submerged and staying in a semi-conscious state, while periodically coming up for air without fully waking up. When they are resting, their heart rate slows down, and they can hold their breath for up to 20 minutes before needing to surface for air. Speaking of hearts, we'd love it if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. Fact 3. Their most unusual features is their powerful prehensile lips, which they use to grab food and bring it into their mouths. Who needs salad tongs when the best kitchen utensil is attached to their face? Fact 4. Manatees' main threats include sharks, crocodiles, and, unfortunately, boat propellers, which is why their environmental status is listed as vulnerable. If you use boats in their waters, please be mindful of these peaceful, exquisite creatures. Fact 5. Manatees communicate through squeaks, chirps, and whistles, especially between mothers and calves. It's like underwater texting, but with a little more bubble. Fact 6. Manatees have poor vision but are sensitive to touch and can detect vibrations in the water. Turns out, in the underwater world, feeling is believing. Fact 7. Manatees have no external ear openings, though they can still hear quite well through sound-conducting bones. Guess hearing is believing too. Fact 8. Manatees have whisker-like hairs around their snouts which help them sense objects and find food. It's like an underwater mustache with a hairy purpose. Fact 9. Manatees can make subtle, almost purring sounds when interacting with one another. So yeah, they're sea cows, closely related to elephants, who could star in Andrew Lloyd Webber's Cats. Fact 10. Flatulence, their superpower. These gentle giants rely on their built-up gas, not only as a digestive byproduct, but also to help control their buoyancy in the water. By holding or releasing gas, they can adjust their position in the water, which helps them rise and sink with ease. Who knew wind could be such an excellent flotation device? What do you think about this beautiful sea creature? And thank you again, Jackie, for the recommendation. See you all in the next video.